Hey, I've got an idea. Let's get out in the great outdoors. Here we are again at Blandford Nature Center, and I'm ready for an eLab extravaganza. Let's take a hike and see what we can find. There's still no water in the raging river. Maybe there will be later on in the fall. And look at all that poison ivy that grew up there. Wow, stay away from that three-leafed plant called poison ivy. I wonder what's down the trail here. Let's take a look. Hey, third graders, as we hike through the Blandford trails this time, let's take a look at the wonderful natural resources that nature provides. Humans use lots of things from nature in order to make our lives better. So look behind me at all the trees. Some of them are big, some of them are small. They all contain a natural resource that we often use called, you guessed it, wood. We need wood. We use it to build houses. We use it for making paper. Wood is used in many different ways. So thank you, trees, for providing lumber and wood for us to use. If we manage our forests sustainably and we only take the trees when they're ready, we'll have plenty of forest so that you'll have forest when you get older too. So look at all this beautiful lumber, which can be turned into wood that people can use as a natural resource. Thank you, trees. You probably recognize the split rail fence that's along the trail at Blandford. Well, guess what? It's made out of wood. Probably made out of wood from trees from this very forest. We make a lot of things out of wood. It's a natural resource. Check this out. Right here at Blandford, how are we using wood to make our lives better? To teach people? How are we using the wood? I can see many ways just in this one view right here. Check it out. People have been using wood for a long, long time. It's a natural resource. Friends, check this out. I'm over here at Blandford for eLab, and look what I just found. Actually, my friend Miss Julie just saw them. Look at the wild turkeys. Wild turkeys are hunted in many parts of Michigan during the right season, and they're one of our wonderful natural resources. Look at that. Wild turkeys right at Blandford. Amazing. Hey, third grade friends, check it out. As I'm walking around Blandford, I'm just marveling at all the natural resources that have been used here. Look, this rock on this path is a type of rock. We call this gravel. Did you know gravel is mined right here in Michigan? People mine it. Look, there's wood chips that have been chipped up from these logs. Remember, wood is a natural resource. And over here, to put a foundation of a house or some building in, you normally start with sand in the foundation. So sand is a mineral resource that's mined right here in Michigan. Sand, gravel, wood. Look at all the natural resources we use to make our lives better. Amazing. Natural resources. Natural resources. Wow, check out the great egret. Looks like it's going to land over on the edge of the pond. Boys and girls, check this out at Blandford. You all know about the pond. You've been here before if you've been at C.A. Frost. This pond is filled with fresh water. That's an amazing natural resource that we have a lot of in Michigan, but there's not that much in the whole world. So appreciate this wonderful resource of fresh water. We all depend on it. And there's its relative, the great blue heron, which was also at the pond at Blandford. What an amazing time to be at the pond at Blandford.